What's up, guys? So 5 minutes in after finding the fuse that cuts the power, and it's still there. So let me pull that fuse again. It's see that 7.5 here, that one there. Where is it? Shit, can't see. Yeah, that one. So go back here, I'll pull it out. Boom. No battery drain. Perfect, like this is like super perfect. And when I check on the fuse diagram, it says that it's for the gauges. So with that fuse out, I know we ain't got a battery drain anymore. Let me open the door. It's locked. Let me unlock the car. Oh yeah, I blew up my multimeter again. So I've done the same thing I done the last time. Put wire across it. I need to just get a few fuses because this is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So no, I don't want to turn the ignition on again because that would just finish off the meters. Right, so I've opened the door. I've closed the door. Oh yeah, guys, this is my no code, man. My brand new no code, man. It's been alright. I don't know if it's 10 times better than the GB70 that I had before. Let me turn the lights on to make sure that these meters are working properly. Headlights on. So that's taking 800 amps. That's a lot of amps for headlights, isn't it? I'll give you guys a tip. If you want to save fuel when you're driving, don't drive with your headlights on. Turn the lights back off. Lock the car. Alright, so we know that we've solved our battery drain issue by pulling that fuse, right? Now I want to put the battery back on properly, jump start it and try to find out what's not working, because the gauges were still working with that disconnected. It's always a bit of a pain to do this test on a car that has a dead battery, man. It's taken a lot longer than it should have. So this one's got a new battery readout. Turn it on. Hey, keys. Alright, so with the fuse out, open the door. The mileage hasn't come up. Turn the key on. It has. Engine still starts. Take the key out. Everything turns out dead one time. Let me see. Yeah. Let's put that fuse back in and see what happens differently. That's back in there. Go there, open the door. You can see that the mileage comes up and the door open light's on. Yeah, let's go and pull that fuse out again. It's all gone, yeah? So that's what we're dealing with right now, man. It's some sort of internal fault with this instrument panel. So what I will do, let's start it up, let it charge up, let the customer test it for a couple of days. If the battery stops dying. If this stuff's dying, then it's alright. I'm going to take these trackers off because I say that it's not being used anymore. Take that off. There were 2 trackers in the car, but they weren't the reasons, man. So there's that tracker and one of these trackers, but none of them were actually the cause. On this Aygo, to do the test, obviously we've got a door button here. All you have to do is disconnect, take out this nut, and that removes the earth because it's a 1-pin switch. So if you take out that screw, it no longer has an earth and they will believe that the door is locked. Yeah. Alright, so the instrument panel works absolutely fine when the engine's running, but it loses some features because that fuse is removed. Alright, I'm going to pack up. I've got to go to some other jobs. Moving on. Catch you guys later.